Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Walmart, and I thought we'd take a stroll through their floral section, guys. So look, they have the cotton stems. So each one of these guys are like $3 a piece, guys. And look at these beautiful sunflowers. Oh my goodness. And then here they have the hydrangeas. So let's see, they're $3 a piece. So they come in this beautiful like red orangey color, and here they are in the blue, guys. And then these are tiger lilies. So I think this comes, let me see, because I'm getting so excited here. I'm not sure, guys, but look how gorgeous this is. There's no price for them, there's no tag, not even in the bucket they're in. So then they have this rose. Look how beautiful. And look at their baby's breath. They are absolutely gorgeous. You know what, I think this is made of paper, guys. That's the first time I've ever seen the baby's breath in Walmart fall apart like that. And here, oh, look at the orchids. Oh my goodness, the orchids are absolutely gorgeous, guys. So let me see, because I think that might have been stuck in the wrong place. No, I think they're $3. Look how gorgeous that is, guys. So then they have this peony. These are tiger lilies. How gorgeous is that? And I think these are boxwood, guys. I think I better grab some because they didn't have any the last time. So I'm going to grab 2 bunches of those. And then here you have your lavender. I have some lavender. And then here, I think these look like, I don't know, they look like my Madam Butterfly stems. So those are, it just says foliage, guys. So, but the boxwood is 97 cents each. So I'm thinking, I don't know, should I grab some more, guys? I think I'll grab 2 more. Because I can make so many things with these. And I love making arrangements with them, so I'll take those. Guys, I love these flowers. Aren't they gorgeous, guys? Let me see. I think they're wisteria. Let's see if I got that right. So I don't know, but they're like $5. But I think it's for these bunches right here, these bouquets. I'm not sure. I can't pull that one out. I can't pull those out, guys. Aren't they gorgeous? So then they have this bunch right here. I think this bunch here is $6.44. Then they have these sunflowers here. And I can't pull those out, guys. And then look at these beautiful orange ones. So here are the white roses. I'm loving those. So that's it when it comes to their florals, guys. So let's keep this moving. So look at this, guys. The decorative wire here is 97 cents. I'm gonna grab 2 because even if this was at the Dollar Tree, I didn't look at the length. So this says 6 foot. I gotta read to see if the length is the same, but they're 97 cents here and $1 at Dollar Tree. So here they have the cloth stem wire, and that's 88 cents. And then they have the clear wreath hangers. Now these clear wreath hangers here are $2.77, and at Dollar Tree they're $1. I don't understand that. So here you have some floral wire for $1.47, and then here is the floral tape. But you get a lot here. You get 3 rolls in 1 packet, so it's like $1 each, I guess. And then, if you get the single one, and here it's $1.47. So anyway, you have the small moss bag for $2.97. You can get that at Dollar Tree for $1. And then you have the moss sheets for $3.47, and then this big bag of Spanish moss right here, that's $6.97, guys. So here they have a small glue gun with 10 glue sticks for $4.22. I guess in a pinch, guys, that's not bad. And here's some raffia for $2.24. Then they have some loose stems over here, like some, I guess, some succulents and some lavender. Okay, guys, I'm like so excited because I haven't been to this location in a long time. So then they have, okay, they have some burlap, and here's a bag of the seashell, guys. I think those are $4.98. And what is this? Collagen skin rescue lotion. Somebody just stuck that there. Okay, So then now I'm seeing a lot of this. At both locations I've seen this lace. This is absolutely gorgeous, $4.95. Then they have the lace roll here. They have it at Dollar Tree, but here they have the bigger roll. This is 10 foot. It's really not that much bigger. And it's $4.47, so the better buy is at Walmart. At Dollar Tree. So these are my favorite, guys. Look at this, especially this white one, the burlap rolls for $4.47. Orange, brown, green. I'm loving this color. I'm telling you, I'm loving this color. And I think that's the same color. I thought it was gray. And here's the orange. So here's the burlap rolls. These are pretty neat. So if I move down, you have these little glass jars for $2.86, and then you have some decorative decor. So then this wooden box right here, the crate, is $9.98. Then they have these, guys. They have these at the Dollar Tree for $1. There's those vases. Then they have these right here for $2.98, and I'm loving these. They're so nice. Okay, so they have these baskets right here for $5.97, and I'm loving these bowls, guys. $5.44. So I think I showed you this at the other Walmart. That's $12.88. So then they have the galvanized buckets over here with the chalkboard label, $4.77. And then this one is all bent. This one doesn't have any writing on it, $2.72. This is a slightly bigger one. No, it's the same one as that one, $2.97. So here you have the little lemon trees. Guys, these are so cute. Okay, so they're $12.88. And then this basket over here is $10.42, and that crate right there is $13.88. Then that big jug, milk jug over there with the chalkboard label, that's $16.88. So here they have their dry flowers, guys. And I'm just gonna scan through their vases. So this one here is very pretty. I'm really liking that. It's different. So they're $3.97, $2.97. This says live, laugh, love. And this one says live by the sun and love by the moon. This is the llama. And that one, I can't really see it. This one right here is very beautiful. It's iridescent, $3.98. And look at this one, guys. See, I like unusual looking things. $4.97 for that one, and I love that one. And look at this iridescent one, guys. I love that. And the size of this vase here, that's $4.97. And then the cylinder vases, guys, these are the same cylinder vases as Dollar Tree. But here, I don't know. They might be mixed in. You have two tags here, 97 cents or $2.97. So then you have these buckets here. And this is like a galvanized in the darker color. So the smaller ones are $2.98, and I think the bigger ones are $7.88. And I'm loving these vases, guys. Look how beautiful that is. Very heavy. $2.98. That's not bad. And here's the dry flowers. And those bunches are $4.97. Guys, I like these little gold buckets. But you know, we can spray paint these. Then they have the, what are these? They look like little notes, 20 piece for $12.98. And congrats, and the balloons and all that. And look at the fairy lights. The string lights are $3.88. How long are they? They're 6 foot. That's not bad. Then you have your paper plates and your cutlery and stuff like this. There's a very small section here. And then you have the piñatas, guys. Look at that. So it's a very small section here of florals and vases. And so here are the piñatas. They have the boxes. This is also a small area. So they do have the cake boxes here. And even these cake rounds, the cardboard ones in the silver. That's really nice. Those are $4. And the window cake boxes. Then you have your cookie cutters over here, and I think those are 97 cents each. Fondant decorating kit for $14.98, and the icing mix. And then here you have your icing, guys. Isn't that nice? This is gum paste, and this is meringue powder and royal icing. So those are $6.97, $4.97, $14.88 for this bigger one. The gum paste is $5.97. And the icing is $3.27, guys. So here you have the icings and the tools and the attachments and the little mini cups and the regular cups. And then here you have your little sprinkles, and you're decorating your chocolate melts. Down here you have your trays to place them on, the chocolate melts, and here you have the brush, the detailing brush, and then you have the cookie sticks, and there are your bags, your decorating bags. And here you have the silicone molds, and here are your wooden dowels. Guys, if you're ever in a pinch and can't find the dowels, come to the baking section. Okay guys, then you have your lollipops, and look, they come in all colors. And then I'm absolutely loving this candy to fill in your favors. Absolutely love it. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Walmart to check out their floral section and their little party chocolate section here. And I'll see you guys in the next video.